The Clayton twins dominated the Issa Boys and Girls Championship for years, and with their departure, there's a void for a new rivalry, and at the center of which is Heidel's star, Alana Reid. Here's our champs. After finishing second in the girls' Class 2 100-meter final last season in a personal best 11.22 seconds behind teammate Karika Hill's record 11.16 seconds, Alana Reid is now eyeing top spot in the event. This season is looking bright for the 18-year-old first-year Class 1 athlete who ran 100th of a second outside of her personal best, 22.95 seconds, in the 200 meters.
Well, to be honest, yes. I didn't expect to run so close to my personal best. But better is coming from here, and I know what I'm capable of. So going back to training and coming into champs and fuck after, I know that I'll improve and do better than this.
Reid is promising fireworks in both the 100 and the 200 meters at the championships, which seems very likely as she also sprinted to 11.24 so far this season in the 100 meters, only 200th of a second outside of her personal best.
Well, I'm very excited because I have big things planned for myself for both events. So just for me to go back to training and fix the areas that need correction and come back. So I always tell myself that I'm the best no matter who I'm competing against. So I just have to take the time to come out here and do what I have to do.
Heidel declared themselves as champs contenders after defeating defending champions Edwin Allen at Central Champs, and Reid relishes her role as one of the senior members of the team.
Well, yes, honestly, all of us work together as one, and we try to push each other as best as we can. So no matter the position or what, we normally tell ourselves that, hey, you have a next time, shake it off and come back again. Most of the smaller kids look up to me, to be honest. So as I said, it's just for me to come out here and do my best to motivate them and give them the drive to know that they can do it as well.
Reid's biggest challenger will be the ever-improving Serena Cole in a grudge match after winning and losing to her already this season. They will meet again at the championship scheduled for March 28 to April 1 in a giant clash which already has spectators licking their lips. Extensive coverage of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships can be seen live and exclusively on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, and One Spot Media with extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM.